Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix SIM card not working problem. If there is a problem in your SIM card, sometimes networks are not coming, you have to first open your airplane mode and you can see you can't able to back up this problem. So first friends, click on this three dot, click on quit lock program. Then you have to exchange the position of the SIM, like SIM 1 to SIM 2 or SIM 2 to SIM 1. Then insert it back and then click on airplane mode and turn off after 10 seconds, and then it will be working. You can see here it is unlocking this Airtel problem. We are setting things up for you, and you can see your mobile is fully functionable and network signals are showing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.